The sun is rising, and in the Himalayas, from the temples, you can hear the song of the divine. Beautiful place for meditation. People come here for retreats. It's a very unique place in the Himalayas, and people like this place because it is in the nature and there is no other sound than the sound of the birds and sometimes the song coming from the temple's love and devotion. Step into the heritage Pabek with the beauty of the rising sun. This is the Pabek Hermitage, a unique place in the Himalayas, in Devi khet, Gauri district. Beautifully done from the heart by a great yogi, Purnananda, who has done many of his Vipassana retreats, and now he is here in the Himalayas meditating and staying here. This is Purnaji's residence, where he has this what we call solar cooker, and you can see the old traditional chair, and also you can see that this is also a mud house. It's a beautiful place in the Mother Nature, and he has a very big kind of kitchen. You can see the kitchen also beautifully done. This is the place where we make rotis, and this is the place where we wash our dishes, and he is using the ash for cleaning the vessels. So this is the beauty of this place, that we use most of the things which are very natural. So a very unique place in the Himalayas. A lot of space in the kitchen to sit for many people together. Have warm chai, where he makes a special kind of chai, a turmeric chai. And we have a small refrigerator and cooking things and a pounding things which he had brought from Orobal, using ginger, natural ginger, using natural kind of turmeric.